जैसे जैसे हमें मैसेज मिलता रहता है हम जगह जगह पे जाके ऑपरेशन कर रहे हैं। और अभी हमारी टीम जो है टोटल 12 टीम चेन्नई रीजन में तांबरम में डिप्लॉय है। और हम लोग पूरी कोशिश के साथ जो फंसे हुए लोग हैं उसको अपने तकनीकी तरीके से अपने बोट की मदद से अपने लोगों से के जो सक्षम है उनके द्वारा मैं उसको निकाल रहा हूँ।
Just want to assure everyone that Indian Navy is fully ready and equipped to help all the areas which are low-lying and have got water stagnation. Yeah, we've got as of now 7 boats present into action, and also we've got 2 helicopters standby, which have not been requested for, but will be made available as required.
It is likely to rain at few places in Tamil Nadu and Mudichur. As far as Tiruvallur district is concerned, 1 or 2 places may experience heavy rainfall, and as far as Chennai city is concerned, cloudy with the possibility of shower in some areas. Since the sea will be rough in Andhra, even not Tamil Nadu fishermen are advised to be cautious while venturing into the sea.